friends, welcome to the channel Grammar Classes with Rachna Sharma. Friends, today I will tell you about the present perfect tense. That work in this tense, the work which we have done, the work which we have completed is called perfect tense, because the work we are doing in present, that is why it's called present perfect tense. So what is the identification of this tense? To identify, if we see the Hindi sentences, what we find these words चुका है, चुके हैं, लिया है, लिए हैं. These words come at the last of the Hindi sentences. Okay. For example, मैंने अपना काम कर लिया है, वो अपना काम कर चुके हैं, मैंने कविता याद कर ली है, क्लास में मैडम आ चुकी हैं या क्लास में मैडम आ गई हैं. So this is the identification of Hindi sentences. Now I tell you about the English sentences. So English sentences: I have completed my work. She has read the book. They have eaten their ice cream. Teacher has come in the class. What is the speciality in these sentences? In these sentences, there is a subject plus has or have और verb की third form, verb's third form. Okay, so these are the English sentences. So friends, I will tell you again the sub parts of this sentence. What is there? Affirmative or positive sentences, negative sentences, third one interrogative sentences, and the fourth one interrogative cum negative sentences. Now friends, I am telling you about the affirmative or positive sentences. How to make it? What is the formula? So let's check. Subject plus has or have plus verb की third form. Okay. When the tense is perfect, so we use always verb's third form. And where we use has, have? We use has when the subject is singular, or when we use he, she, it or names comes in a subject. So we use has. For example, I have revised this book. He has slept. I is an exceptional case. That's why we use have here. Okay. And next I am telling you about the have. Have when the subject is plural, or in a sentence when we find I, we, you, they. That means all these are the subject. If the subject is plural or I, we, you, they is there, so we use have. Okay. So there are some examples. I have revised this book. He has slept. Raj has finished his work. Okay. Now you see he, as I have told you, he, she, it or name ho, so he has slept. Okay. Now Raj, if there is any name in a sentence, so we use has. And now I have revised. I have told you that I is an exceptional case, so we use have. Now friend, I tell you about negative sentences. So the formula is here: subject plus has not, have not plus verb's third form. I have told you where we put has and where we put have. Has we put where the subject is singular, and have where the subject is plural. Okay. So now we see the example. They have not cooked the food. That means subject is, they is a subject. Okay. Have according to the subject as it is plural, and then not. So the important part is not. So we see the formula. Not is here. Cooked, verb's third form. Okay. The food. They have not cooked the food. She has slept. Okay. Next we see interrogative sentences. The interrogative sentences, how we make has or have. First we put has or have, then subject, then verb's third form plus question mark, because we are asking questions. So we see the example. Has Meera gone to school? Question mark. Has Meera gone to school? Question mark. So friends, we can understand interrogative sentences with the help of some question word sentences. So we see, where has he reached? This is question word. Okay, when have I stolen your books? And last question mark. So what are we putting here? Has or have? Question word, work question word. Okay. Now friends, I tell you about interrogative cum negative sentences. So what is the formula? So formula is here. Has, have, first it comes has, have, subject plus not, verb third form and then question mark. Okay. So according to the formula we see some examples. Have they not cooked the food and question mark. So you can check with the formula has or have according to the subject plus not plus verb's third form plus question mark. Okay. So next, has he not returned from Delhi? Has he not returned from Delhi? Okay. And if we take the question word, so you can see why has Ria not taken her breakfast? So friends, when we have to add the question words, so we put it first from the very first of the sentence. Okay. Why has Ria not taken her breakfast? As we have seen in above examples, where has. Okay, so where, when the sentence comes where, when, so we see we put it first of the very first of the sentence. Okay. So friends, let's start with the fun and practice. So I'm giving you a sentence and you have to convert it into 4 subparts. Okay, I have slept. So no, you have to convert in 4 subparts. I have not slept. Have I slept? Have I not slept? And this you have to convert in a very fast way. Okay, now today I am giving you a homework. First time friends, I am giving you homework, so you have to complete it. Okay. I have bought a uniform. What you have to do with this sentence, you have to write in a page or you have to write this sentence in a copy, and then you have to make 4 apart and you have to speak in a very fast way, as loud as you can. So what will happen? So you will keep always this perfect tense in mind. Okay, now so you have to make this sentence in this order. So friend, this is enough for today, and please don't forget to subscribe my video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.